Electric motor training, on all kinds of AC and DC motors, up to 15,000 horsepower AC, and up to 5,000 horsepower DC. The PDF books and DVDs show how to inspect, test, repair and rewind, with procedures, tips and techniques. Now for limited time, we offer the 5 PDF technical repair handbooks, with 3 separate DVD training videos. Plus, the master index included, for only $89.95, plus shipping and handling. For the first time, a new 2021 series, Motor Repair Technical Handbooks. Written in PDF format, with training DVD video, being incorporated into, Learn how to repair AC motors up to 15,000 horsepower, and DC motors up to 5,000 horsepower. For engineers, electricians, all electrical workers, mechanics, and students. The PDF books and DVDs, as well as a master index manual, guide the reader into the exact section that is needed for the electric motor type and repair procedure. The PDF books and DVDs are produced in simplest, concise form to teach the reader the rules, the fundamentals, principles, and applications of repairing AC motors up to 15,000 horsepower and DC motors up to 5,000 horsepower. The books and DVDs uses practical hands-on procedures with technical data. The motors can range in horsepower from hundreds to thousands, including synchronous, vertical, and other specially designed motors, servo motors and encoders, resolvers, and tachometers, commutators and commutation issues including slip rings, and permanent magnet direct current motors, medium and large size direct current motors, with field coils, and armatures are clearly covered within the material. Core loss testing, of both AC rotors, and DC armatures are also discussed. Preforming, a core loss test on AC motor cores. Various types of AC rotors are also discussed within the material covered. An alloy type rotor, a die-cast squirrel cage rotor, a slip ring type rotor are shown. For more information, please visit our website at twmmediaservices.com or contact TWM Enterprises at rogers.com. The PDF books and related DVDs can be purchased online at ebay.ca.